In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Pay Bills feature effectively. Whether you're managing household finances or handling business accounting, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can pay your bills with ease and confidence. To begin, navigate to the Pay Bills section of the application or website you are using. This section is specifically designed to streamline your bill payments, making it a convenient and straightforward tool for managing your financial obligations. Once you're in the Pay Bills section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll likely see a list of bills that are due or upcoming. These could include utilities, credit card statements, or any other regular payments you need to make. Now, your first job is to select the bills you wish to pay. You might see checkboxes or another form of selection tool next to each listed bill. Carefully go through the list, ensuring you only select the bills that are due or the ones you intend to pay at this time. It's important to double check the amounts and due dates to avoid any mistakes or overpayments. Having a clear idea of what needs to be paid will ensure you maintain control over your finances. Once you've selected the bills you want to pay, it's time to choose your payment option. In this step, you'll want to opt for the ACH payment method. ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse, and it's a widely used network for electronic payments and transfers. It's a secure and efficient process, making it a popular choice for bill payments. When you opt for ACH, you're essentially authorizing a direct transfer from your bank account to the payee, which can simplify your financial management and reduce the potential for errors. Next, confirm the payment details. Before you finalize the transaction, take a moment to review everything carefully. This means checking all the payment amounts, the payment dates, and confirming that the correct payment method has been selected. Confirming these details acts as a final safeguard against any mistakes. Most systems will require you to click on a confirm payment button or something similar, which you should do only after you're certain that everything is accurate. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're able to utilize the Pay Bills feature confidently and efficiently. Remember that, like any financial transaction, keeping meticulous records and double-checking your entries can save you a lot of trouble down the line. The Pay Bills feature is designed with your convenience in mind, so take advantage of this tool to keep your financial responsibilities in check. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has made your bill paying experience a little easier.